Hello, I'm Dr. Sonia, Chief Consultant at Dr. Nishita's Cosmetic Clinic, Panjim. So today we are here at DNCC and I'm going to share you about what services we have to offer you. So when talking about DNCC, why you should opt DNCC? DNCC is one of the most trusted brands in hair care and skin care. When you step in DNCC, you will meet a team of dermatologists, expert team of dermatologists, skin doctors, technicians, trichologists, who all work on you, work on your skin concerns, on your hair issues to give the best and to shape up your personality. So why choose DNCC? Here in DNCC, you will have a range of treatment that varies from hair care, skin care, weight loss, surgical, non-surgical, mommy makeovers, bridal makeovers, etc. etc. Specifically, when I'm talking about hair care, it's not merely that when a person steps in DNCC, one has to opt for a transplant. Non-surgical hair treatments are a lot, the results of which are awesome, and at the same time, the person has to go hand in hand along with the doctor and the patient. So specifically, consistency and patience is the key to this result. So these treatments are basically non-invasive, these are very safe, no downtime, and absolutely giving you a denser look and completely your makeover, whether it is your hair, your skin or your full body. When I'm talking about your hair, these treatments are PRP treatments, GFC treatments, meso treatments. When I'm talking about skin, here the treatments are varied. So basically we start from chemical peels, hydrofacials, carbon laser. We also have got anti-aging treatments like Botox, fillers, we have cork threads, we have got HIFU, of which I'm going to briefly explain you about all this in detail. Now, when coming to laser hair reduction, we have got full body laser hair reduction that we do via using advanced technique which is diode laser. It's nothing but it's basically a cooling tip technique which gives you awesome results for a sessions that we follow for 6 to 8. Definitely with the people who are having hormonal imbalances in the body, you have to take advice from the doctor accordingly. The doctor would suggest you the number of sessions. When I'm talking about the anti-aging treatments, these are the most loved treatments and I have seen a lot of patients coming to me in the age group from 30s to 60s. So what is anti-aging treatment consist of? Anti-aging treatments basically means when you start aging, you have to be taking those treatments because aging cannot be delayed. So जेन्ना हांव anti-aging treatments म्हणटा, हांगा मेन येता तो म्हणजे wrinkles, सुरकुत्यो ज्यो म्हणटा आमी. आता ह्या सुरकुत्यांक इलाज ना, but definitely you can prevent it. जेन्ना हांव प्रिवेंशन बद्दल उलयता, that time the first line of treatment is always Botox. सुरकुत्यो येवप म्हणजे कितें? आमची जी फेशियल स्किन असता, जेन्ना आमचे कमी वय असता तेन्ना ती स्किन आमची टायट असता कित्याक आमच्या शरिरान कोलेजीन असता. हळू जेन्ना आमची एज वाडटा, शरिरातले कोलेजीन आनी मॉइश्चर कंटेंट कमी जावू लागता. तर हो आमकां भायरच्या हितून सोर्सांतल्यान आमकां भितर घेवचो पडटा. सो बेसिकली बोटॉक्स इज नथींग बट इट इज अ इंजेक्शन शॉट coming from botulinum vaccine. It's a toxin which helps in tightening the skin by relaxing the facial muscles. हितून तुमचे सुरकुत्यो कमी न्हू, completely ना जातल्यो, but it is a repetitive procedure. When I'm talking about fillers, fillers are basically given for improving not only your skin tone, your skin texture, your complete contouring of the skin, your facelift is done with all this. So when I'm talking about fillers, it is nothing but hyaluronic acid based fillers. Hyaluronic acid हो आमच्या शरीरान नॉर्मली कमी हितून प्रोड्यूस जाता. सेम थिंग हांवें जशें म्हटलें, जेन्ना आमचें वय जाता तेन्ना मॉइश्चर जो कंटेंट आसता तो कमी जायत रावता. हाच्या लागून आमची कात जी आसता ती ड्राय जाता. ड्राय जातकूच आमची स्किन मसल्स जे आसता ते सॅगी जावं लागता, म्हणजे पडू लागता. ह्या टायमार आमकां जो लायन ऑफ ट्रिटमेंट आसता तो म्हणजे एक तर आमकां हे जे मसल्स आसता ते मातशे प्लम्प करचे आसता किंवा नेझोलेबियल फोल्ड्स येता. हे जे आसता आमकां दे मेक अस फील मोर एजड. तर ह्या टायमार वेन वी बूस्ट हायलुरॉनिक ॲसिड इन युअर स्कीन, इट हेल्प्स इन प्लम्पिंग युअर स्कीन. सो बेसिकली फिलर्स जेन्ना आमी करता स्पेसिफीक जेन्ना कन्सर्न्स आसता ते म्हणजे नेझोलेबियल फोल्ड्स, अंडर आय हॉलोज, फॉर प्लम्पिंग द लिप्स, स्पेसिफिकली टू वॉल्युमाइज द चीक्स, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी खातीर फिलर्सचो वापर करता. When I'm talking about Botox is not only restricted area, but Botox जेन्ना दिता तेन्ना बेजिकली कपाळा सुरकुत्यो आसता, दोळ्या बाजूच्यो सुरकुत्यो आसता, फ्राउन लायन्स आसता. एट द सेम टायम तुमकां जर जॉ तुमचो लिफ्ट करपाक जाय जाल्यार सुद्दां बोटॉक्सचो वापर करूं येता. वी हॅव समथींग विच इज कॉल्ड एज बेबी बोटॉक्स. The baby botox is mostly chosen by the brides to be because it helps in giving you that bridal glow on the face. So it has to be done at least 10 to 15 days or a minimum of 1 month prior to the D-Day. When I'm talking about cock threads, again जेन्ना आमची कात पडटा तेन्ना ह्या कातीक कोलेजिनची आनी इलेस्टिनची खूब गरज आसता. तर ही आमी कशी करतली? Either people have to go for a facelift which is surgical, but right now because of the advancements happening, we have come up with non-invasive techniques which is called as either HIFU, which is nothing but high intensity focus ultrasound. हितून कितें करता आमी? बेसिकली इट्स अ मशीन बेस्ड. ह्या मशिनान अल्ट्रासॉनिक वेव्स जे आसता ती पास ऑन इन द स्किन. सो हितून बेसिकली जे कोणाचे डबल चीन आसा किंवा गळ्या कडेन सुरकुत्यो येयल्लेल्यो आसा किंवा एकदम कोणाचो अनइवन फेस आसा जेंकां तो फेस टायटन करपाक जाय, ह्या टायमार ह्यो प्रोसिजरचो वापर केलो जाता. So during this time, ultrasonic waves are passed inside the skin. So the fat which is there in unwanted areas, that fat is removed off. And then there is boosting of collagen and elastin, thereby giving you a tighter, firmer and an even tone lifted skin. When talking about depigmentation treatments, वो specifically असल्या कंडिशनांनी यूज करू शकता आमी जे सादे सुदे नॉर्मल आसता, जे अफोर्डिंग क्लासचे आसा ना तांकां सुद्दां हो कंडिशन जावपाची शक्यता आसता. Any guesses what kind of condition is this? This is none other than melasma. Melasma is basically a skin condition which is developed because of many reasons, out of which genetic, taking of oral contraceptive pills, exposure to the sun rays which is unavoidable. ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी खातीर हो मेलास्मा कंडिशन जो आसता, मेलास्मा कंडिशन वाडू लागता. आता मेलास्मा म्हणजे कितें? बेसिकली आमचो जो फेस आसता ताका थंयसर ब्राउनिश टू एकदम डार्क ब्राउनिश पॅचीस येवंक लागता. हे पॅचीस ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम कॅन टर्न इन टू बटरफ्लाय लायक कंडिशन. हेका आमी कोलेस्मा म्हणटा. नाव दीस कंडिशन कॅन बी ट्रिटेड एट अ व्हेरी इनिशियल स्टेज. जेन्ना हो कंडिशन जाता in the normal layman's term, this is called as लूथ. आता लूथ म्हणजे हेका नॉर्मली फक्त एक ठराविक एज आसता अशें ना. इट कॅन हॅपन टू बोथ मेल एज वेल एज फिमेल. आता जे कोण चड वोताचो एक्सपोजर घेता दे आर मोर प्रोन टू गेट मेलास्मा, कित्याक वोत हे कंडिशन वाडयता. नॉर्मली हे कंडिशन जेन्ना सुरवातीकूच सुरू जाल्लेले आसता तेन्ना ओवर द कावंटर मेडिकेशन्स, क्रिमी, गोरे जावपाक, धवे जावपाक जे जे क्रिमीज तुमी वापरता ते वापरच्यो न्हू. बट रेदर दॅन दॅट यू ऑप्ट फॉर इन क्लिनिक प्रोसिजर्स विच वील डेफिनेटली हेल्प इन रिड्युसिंग दीस कंडिशन टू ऑलमोस्ट अ ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट. तर ह्या गोष्टी खातीर आमचे कडेन जो इन क्लिनिक प्रोसिजर्स आसा दोज आर डीपिगमेंटेशन ट्रीटमेंट्स which are either chemical peels or deeper pigmentation peels. We also have got laser. हितून आमी Q switch Nd:YAG laser वो treatment भी करता. If nothing works, then we have to follow a protocol for a longer duration of time. Coming to hair transplants. So DNCC, any person who walks in DNCC for a hair transplant will get assured results. कित्याक DNCC gives you the patented research based results. हांगा आमचो स्वताचो पेटंट आसा which is called as BioDHT, of which the standard आमी जे procedures follow करता these are FUE, BioDHT, Sapphire hair transplant. And normally Sapphire hair transplant, BioDHT हे सगळे जे टर्म्स आसा हे सगळे एडवान्स टेक्निक्स आसा. हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांट जेन्ना आमी करता इट इज नथिंग दॅट यू हॅव टू फियर अबाउट. हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांटचे जे मिथ्स आसा, जे रुमर्स जे लोक पसरयतात हेजे लागून कॅन्सर जाता किंवा अजून कितें जाता इज अ कम्प्लिटली मिथ. इट्स रॉंग पासिंग ऑफ रुमर्स. आता हितून बेजिकली 1 दिसाची किंवा 2 दिसाची सर्जरी असता आनी सर्जरी एकदम स्मूथली वता. नॉर्मली तुमकां कांयच त्रास जायना पोस्ट एज वेल एज बिफोर एज वेल एज ड्युरींग द ट्रिटमेंट. प्रोसिजर एकदम स्मूथली वता. हितून it is just like you enter into a clinic, it's an OPD procedure and then you have to follow the post care treatment for the maintenance. आता जेन्ना आमी हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांट करता हेजो जो पोस्ट केअर असता तो 6 म्हयन्याचो असता आनी कंपल्सरी यू हॅव टू फॉलो दॅट अलॉंग विथ द मेडिकेशन्स विच आर सजेस्टेड बाय द डॉक्टर. सो overall DNCC provides you all the facilities under one roof. This is the only reason why you would opt for DNCC. So if at all you have got any kind of hair, skin, weight loss concerns, then definitely you need to visit DNCC. When I'm talking about weight loss, there are a lot of treatments. We at DNCC, we also have got certain kind of treatments like cryotherapy, U-Lipo. We have got our patented semaglutide weight loss program, which gives you assured results of almost 5 to 10 kgs loss within 3 months time. So if you want to know more about DNCC, please do visit us at Pato Panjim. Thank you for watching.